History was made on today's date. Stay tuned for an American Minute with Bill Federer.
Thomas Jefferson had it commemorated on his tombstone, along with the Declaration of Independence. What was it? It was Jefferson's Articles of Religious Freedom, passed this day, January 16, 1786, in the Virginia Assembly. In it, Jefferson wrote, "Well aware that Almighty God hath created the mind free, all attempts to influence it by temporal punishments only beget hypocrisy, and are a departure from the plan of the holy author of religion, who, being Lord of both body and mind, chose not to propagate it by coercions, as was in his almighty power to do, but extend it by reason alone."
This has been an American Minute with Bill Federer. For a free transcript, call American Minute at 1-888-USA-WORD.
This is Ron Ross with Powerful Seniors. Seniors realize American history is being ignored and erased. The Bible compels us to do something about it. It says, "Teach what you've seen and heard to your children and grandchildren." Please share this video with your family and friends and encourage others to join Powerful Seniors.